Okay, example 3. Here we've got some guy named Guy, clever, and he's already solved the linear system for us. These two lines apparently cross at the point 2, -5. We need to verify whether or not Guy's answer is true. And if you remember from the last example, to verify that a point is a solution for a system, we have to take that point and plug it into both lines. We have to show that it lies on both lines to prove that it's a solution, or to verify that it's a solution. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's take x minus 2y equals 12. I'm going to put in 2 for x and -5 for y, and let's watch what happens. 2 minus 2 times -5. Does that equal 12? Well, -2 times -5 is +10. And then 2 plus 10 is 12. Okay, good. So our point lies on this first line. That's nice. Let's see if it lies on the second line. So 2 in for x, -5 in for y. And let's evaluate this. So 6 plus 10. Uh-oh. That equals 16. And that is not the same thing as 4. So Guy's answer is wrong. His solution is incorrect. This point does not lie on both lines. Therefore, it is not our solution. So now it's a good idea to, or a good practice, I suppose, to ask what is the solution to our system? Right? Well, to solve it graphically, again, we need to take both of these lines and put them into slope-intercept form. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's take x minus 2y equals 12 and put that into slope-intercept form. So we bring the x over, leaving us with -x plus 12, and then we divide out the -2 in every term. So that gives me y. This right here would be a positive value, because negative divided by negative is positive. And it would be half of x, right? Because x over 2 is the same thing as half of x. And then 12 divided by -2 is -6. Okay, so this is my first equation. My second equation, what was it again? 3x minus 2y equals 4. And again, I'm just putting this into slope-intercept form. So I'll bring the 3x over. I have -2y equals -3x plus 4, and then divide everything by -2. So that leaves me with y equals positive 3 over 2x minus 2. So here are my two slope-intercept form equations that I'm now going to put into my calculator. Okay, so let's graph our system here and find the real solution. Guy messed up. We need to fix this problem. So 1 over 2, make sure that fraction goes in brackets. X minus 6 was our first equation. And the other one was 3 over 2, again in brackets, x minus 2. And they cross around here. Let's figure out what point that is. Second, trace 5, and then enter 3 times. Enter, enter, enter. And there's our intersection. -4, -8. Okay, so we got a very different solution than Guy. We got the solution -4, -8. Right? That's a far cry from 2, -5. So again, whenever you verify a solution, make sure you put it into both equations to make sure that it lies on both lines.